In this quick guide, I'll show you how to verify your location on YouTube TV in 2025, step by step. This is super important if you're getting location errors or trying to access local channels while traveling. YouTube TV uses your location to give you access to the correct local channels, sports, and regional programming. If your location isn't verified correctly, you might miss out on content or get blocked altogether. First, go to youtubetv.com, then sign in. Then click on your profile icon on the top right corner, select settings, then go to area and click home area. Now if you're in your location, click update to set it. You must be on a device connected to your home Wi-Fi network. On your phone, open the YouTube TV app, tap your profile icon, go to settings, area, and home area, and hit update. Make sure your location permissions are enabled in your iPhone settings. If you're away from home, YouTube TV will still let you stream, but local channels may change based on where you are. You can't change your home area more than twice per year, so use it wisely. That's it. Make sure to subscribe and like.